Hello and welcome to this week's episode of
Talking from our aft
on a cruise ship balcony. We are the Wandering Naps. I'm Jolene.
I'm Chris.
Caleb.
Chase.
Carter.
And we lived on a boat for 4 years. You can check out all those videos on our YouTube channel, The Wandering Naps. We recently sold our boat and now we're just traveling around and filming our experiences. This week's video is going to be all about Dominica. On our cruise ship, we visited about 4 or 5 different islands. So we're going to have 4 or 5 different videos explaining each island, this one specifically about Dominica. So, what did we do in Dominica?
Carter?
We went to the Emerald Pool and actually swam in it. Dad was the first one to get in.
Well, what is it? What's the Emerald Pool?
It's just a pool that a waterfall falls into.
Yeah, it's a waterfall.
And then we visited the Trafalgar Falls.
Trafalgar.
Falls.
We call it the Trefula.
It's the twin falls. It's 2 falls. Waterfalls. Nice view.
So did we like?
Oh,
Yeah,
Dominica, what do we think?
Dominica
Nice.
was very
good.
nice.
Yeah.
Especially all the wildlife.
We like the
We only had a
trees
short time to visit, so we didn't have a lot of time to actually view much, but what we did get to see was amazing.
And the name is pronounced Dominica, not Dominica.
Good tip.
It's
What did you like about it?
Dominica.
It was a really, the rainforest was awesome. I haven't been in on such a twisty, turny road ever in my life before as that. That was super twisty.
It was like a roller coaster.
It was.
Yep.
And then the island was just full of beautiful tropical fruits. I mean, several of the islands we went to.
Mm-hmm.
The produce was looked pretty amazing.
So enjoy this week's video. Getting off a cruise ship kind of feels like you're on a cattle cart. It's a little different than living on a boat and traveling on your own.
Me as pilot, I know.
You're it.
I know him.
You're it.
Shots for 5 times. Until the lush, how beautiful the island is. It is because of the average rainfall we get a year. Someone is trying to bring it back. That's a lot of hard work to do that. Guys, who look at the mountain and follow the cloud to the top. This is the tallest mountain on the island, on Diablo 10. Okay, on Diablo 10 is the Quail Lake. In English, it means the Devil's Mountain. Okay, it's 4,747 feet tall. So this is the packing area.
So today we're on Dominica. So far we've taken a bus up into the middle of the rainforest. It's gorgeous, gorgeous island. We're visiting Emerald Pool. He said on this island they get 350 to 400 inches of rain a year in the rainforest. So they've got 365 freshwater rivers due to all that rain. And so a lot of waterfalls and creeks and stuff like that to explore. So we're going to take about a 15-minute hike to a pool, and we can go swimming. Yeah, I think this is my first rainforest.
Oh yeah,
It is.
it is slippery.
Just slip.
I'd like to use a hammer getting down
Yeah,
this.
I'll move. Just fall in. Just go for it. Fall in. Don't forget your sunglasses and hat. You want to get in with them? Oh, you've got coat on. Is it cold?
It's not a thermal spa, I'll tell you that.
It's
Not a thermal spa.
Anyone else getting in?
Go for it. Go, buddy, go. Is it sand on the bottom?
It's small gravel, it's not bad.
I can see the rock.
Believe it or not, it was cold, but I still did get in. So did Chase, somewhere over there. The next stop is Twin Falls.
Okay. Now you can only see one waterfall from this point here. When we get closer, you'll see the two, the Mama and Papa waterfalls. To the left are cocoa bean trees. Okay, this is where you get your chocolate. Your Hershey's, your Almond Joy, your Snickers all come from those trees. So it runs from one hydroelectric plant to the next. As I said, 40% of our electricity is all generated by water, 60% by diesel generators. So back here, 1240.
Cheese.
So this is the one that's taking me to smoke.
You guys want to just like sit up here and get a picture?
But you gotta jump up on a couple of rocks there.
Yeah, like that one.
Hey, you wanna leave your bag?
Whew, the falls was awesome. I like the Emerald pool because we could get in and cool off. Chris grabbed a local beer. We're gonna do some local shopping. As always, thanks for watching and enjoy the journey.